Saturday, September 11th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Got a lot to do today, particularly in this area, all through there. And then what I'll do is get my sledgehammer, bust up the concrete. Can't do it right now though. It's very early. I don't want to upset the neighbors. Again, more gravel. At least we know what the problem is, and it can be fixed. It's almost like there wasn't any topsoil or dirt here at all, but that's okay. After all this work, everything will be back to normal. I think it's time to get that sledgehammer and remove that concrete I was telling you about. Right here. Not only will I use this sledgehammer, I think I'll put these garbage cans to use. Have a lot of dirt to move, and I think they'll really help. Look at this. Just look at this. At least you know I wasn't exaggerating. Roots can't penetrate through this, and grass can't grow on top of it. I was doing all that work for nothing. I'm not really upset, more so relieved. This was an issue for 2 years. I'll get all that I can. Right now I'm just digging it up, putting it in a pile, trying to move it out of my way so I can continue working. I was dumping this dirt and gravel in my backyard, but I ran out of room, so I'll take it down the street to an empty field. It just hit me. Why don't I put the garbage cans in the wagon, fill them up, and then take them down the street? Work smart, not hard. Still have a long way to go. As you know, I'm wetting the grass and dirt, so it'll be easier for me to dig it all up. Just wanted to show you where I'm at now. And again, I'll dig it up with my shovel here, bring it over to the garbage cans, and take it all away. I'm getting there. You know, this one section, which is nothing more than maybe a quarter of all the work, is really delaying everything. I would have been done already and probably could have seeded by now, but that's okay. Let's get it out of here. I'm tired. It's hot. I've been out in the sun for about 5 hours. I think I'll take a break, fill the cans up, and come back later. Let me tell you this, when you work this hard, you really appreciate bread and water a whole lot more. All right, we got a little left. Let's get it done. Finish this thing up. You know what? I'll dig up half of this and level the rest. I can level this a whole lot better, but as far as shoveling, that's over. All right, it's time for some topsoil. I have about 8 or 9 bags on standby. I'll start over here in this area. Well, I ran out of topsoil. I'm losing daylight, but we're making progress. So let's come back tomorrow, finish up. But I'm pleased with the results so far. It's the next day. Thanks for coming back. Let me show you what I did. I added a stake there. I added another one here. Okay. The third one is over here in this corner. And there's the fourth one. I got my Stanley level and leveled the stake with the sidewalk. I added a screw already and measured the screw 1 inch from the top of the stake. Okay, I'm doing this so I can level the dirt. Just bear with me for a moment. I got some string and tied the string around the screws that have been drilled into the stakes. I'm using the string as a guide so I don't go up too high or too low when I add the topsoil. I think it'll work. Let's give it a chance, okay? I got a total of 21 bags from Menards. I like their topsoil, but as you can see, I need a whole lot more. But the string is holding up. I think it's working. This time around, I went to Home Depot. They had a bulk deal. Get 30, you get a discount. Why not take advantage? Hear me out. I'm not judging, Okay, I'm not judging, but if I was, I would pick Menards topsoil over Home Depot's every time. You get more from Home Depot as far as price. You get a 40-pound bag for the same price as a Menards 21-pound bag. But there's a lot of junk in the Home Depot bag. I pulled out a lot of weeds. If some of it comes out in lumps, just take your rake, pat it down like this. It'll help break it down a bit more. That way you can spread it evenly and level it better. I got 15 more bags. So I got 21 earlier. I just dropped 30, 51. It's a lot of bags so far, and I might need some more. So keep up with the count, okay? Almost finished, but I need more dirt. Management was so gracious in letting us use the bigger car. Couldn't get any of this done without that approval. Thanks. We're at the line. I'll level it better. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye. This is what I'll be using. I'm still out here. I'll get rid of the strings and go to work. Now you guys can go. Get out of here.